Alright, so hello, this is my day 9. Day 9 of using this strategy. So, by the way, always remember, disclaimer, trade what you can only afford to lose and always control your emotion when you are trading, because if you lose your control with your emotion while trading, you cannot focus. Wait, this one? I'm gonna look for a trade. Okay, this one. So, is this one? As you can see, this is an uptrend. It's a big uptrend. So it go up, it bounce, it go up, it bounce. So it touched my 10 EMA. So it did break. So if my 10 EMA here is break, it will continue to touch down here. So yep, this trade is a win. So continue. I'm gonna look for a trade. Alright. So this one is, oh. So previously, this one, there is an uptrend. So it go down, it touched the 25 EMA, and this one, it successfully break, right? So I'm hoping this trade will go down because as you can see in the ADX, we are in the middle part. The middle part is this 25 EMA. So yep, it's a win. Yeah, it's a win. So now I'm gonna look for another, maybe in this one. Looks like it's trying. Okay, so this one, I sell here because you can see there is a big uptrend and it form a base here. So it gonna bounce back. It gonna bounce. So it will gonna go bounce and then maybe continue to go up. So that's why I sell here. And also the ADX, right, in the upper part. So yeah, it's a win. So it's a win. So it bounced back. So if I try to but the movement is see, it bounced back, it bounce here and then maybe go up. So if I buy, maybe but the movement of the candle is kinda slow, so I'm not sure. Maybe the next candle. So yeah, I try to buy, maybe this one is failed. So if the trend is strong, right, so it go up here, it bounce, so going up, and also the ADX is in the middle part, this area. So but the candle movement is kinda slow and is kinda small. So yep, it's a win. 4 3 2 1. Yep. Alright. Okay, so this is the continuation. As you look at my time, because I paused it earlier, so I let it play the market. This one maybe. Not sure. So wait. Try to analyze the Oh no. Oh no. So this area here, I try to sell because this is a downtrend, and this big wick here is trying to go up, but it failed and it go down. So I'm expecting this trade will go down. Will it go down? Oh yes, it go down. So now you see this, right? Because this is a downtrend, and this three candle here, and the third candle go up, and then suddenly it go down. Then it try again, so it bounce back maybe. If my 25 EMA, if the candle break this area, it might go up, but it bounce back, and the ADX is also in the lower part, so maybe it might gonna break it soon. So yeah, it break. Well, I'm gonna look for other trade. Okay, in this area I try to sell because, but my position is kinda bad. So just like earlier, this is an uptrend, and it form a base here. So I'm expecting it gonna bounce back. It gonna bounce back, it go up, it bounce back. So I sell. So I am right, it's a win. And now maybe I'm gonna do one more trade. So it successfully break this area. If it go up a little bit, maybe I'm gonna try to sell, because, or maybe I'm gonna look for other trade. So this is my win or lose. This is my last trade. So this one I buy here because there is a downtrend, and my 25 EMA, the candles broke it, and the ADX is in the lower part. So I'm expecting to buy here, expecting the trade will go up, and alright, so it's a win. So this is my last trade for today. I'm done. Tomorrow again, day 10. So peace out.